Welcome to this video on Zero Standby Power Design, focusing on the 5 milliwatt standard. We will explore advanced engineering for the zero waste era and low standby power analysis. The industry is redefining "idle" with a shift to less than 5 milliwatts for modern power adapters. This is achieved through zero standby power or ZSP designs using gallium nitride or GaN and smart controllers. The challenge is eliminating vampire power. Legacy standards consumed 20 to 50 milliwatts, representing continuous passive waste. Our target is less than 5 milliwatts, or intelligent idle, to combat this unnecessary load on the grid. The new benchmark is less than 5 milliwatts of standby power consumption. Low standby means the ability to minimize power when inactive. This is an intelligent idleness, a state of active readiness consuming negligible energy. Achieving this 10x reduction requires an engineering trinity: material science, utilizing gallium nitride; circuit design, incorporating PSR and ZSP architecture; and intelligence, using dynamic load detection. Advanced components include gallium nitride, which replaces silicon for higher efficiency and reduced heat. Primary side regulation, or PSR, streamlines voltage regulation, removing components that cause parasitic draw. Intelligent monitoring uses dynamic load detection, or DLD. When no device is drawing current, the smart controller shuts down the main power circuit, leaving only a low-energy wake-up monitor active. The operational mechanics focus on slowing the frequency. Power loss happens during the transistor's rapid on/off switching. During idle times, advanced controllers drop their operating frequency to minimize these switching losses. The Zero Standby Power, or ZSP, philosophy integrates GaN, DLD, and low-frequency operations into one cohesive system. The promise is an adapter that consumes near-zero power when idle by turning the main power circuit off. The consumer advantage involves energy savings, directly reducing electricity usage when devices are left plugged in. This also provides optimized interaction, ensuring instant charging upon connection thanks to smart DLD. This technology also carries great environmental responsibility. Less passive energy waste translates directly to lower carbon emissions and a lower grid load. Adopting less than 5 milliwatts adapters is a concrete step toward sustainability. The regulatory landscape is driving the shift to ultra-low power standards. Compliance with regulations like the U.S. Department of Energy Level 7 is mandatory. Manufacturers are ensuring compliance with the next generation of government mandates. Industry leaders like Samsung and CE Link are already implementing this. This technology is mass market ready, offering GaN-based chargers that achieve the less than 5 milliwatt standby consumption benchmark. The future is efficient. The transition from 50 milliwatts to 5 milliwatts represents a maturity in power electronics. Through the synergy of GaN, ZSP, and intelligent load detection, we have engineered waste out of the system. Remember, the most efficient energy is the energy we don't use. Efficiency unleashed, the 5 milliwatt standard.